In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and manage anchor links in HubSpot. The process we'll walk through is key for those looking to enhance their website navigation and improve the overall user experience. So, whether you're new to HubSpot or simply looking to refine your skills, this guide will be beneficial for you. To get started, you'll first want to head over to the HubSpot website, open up your web browser, and navigate to your HubSpot account. If you haven't logged in already, click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Once you're at the login page, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Go ahead and click on that and make sure to select the appropriate Google account associated with your HubSpot profile. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to direct your focus to content management. On the dashboard, you'll find a tab labeled Content. Click on it to open a variety of content management options. What we're interested in today is the landing pages section, so go ahead and click on that as well. This is where all the landing pages you have created will be displayed, and from here, you'll want to choose the specific landing page you wish to edit. After you've selected your landing page, the page editor will open up for you. Now you need to highlight the text where you want to place your anchor link. It's important to choose a section of text that naturally guides the reader or user to more detailed information or a different section of the page. With the text highlighted, cast your eyes over to the left-hand panel where you'll see an option labeled Insert. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, you should select Anchor. Now, you're almost ready to set your anchor. The next step is to name your anchor. In the dialog box that pops up, type in a succinct, memorable name that represents the section you're anchoring to. This could be something like Contact Section or About Us, depending on your needs. Remember, this name should be easy for you to recall because you'll need it to create links to this specific anchor point later. Once you've typed in the anchor name, simply click Insert. This completes the process of inserting your anchor link. Your text is now anchored, making navigation smoother and more intuitive for your site visitors. And that's it. You've successfully inserted and managed an anchor link in HubSpot. This small but mighty tool is a powerful way to improve your website's functionality and ensure users can easily navigate through your content. Be sure to test out your anchor links to ensure they work as expected. Thanks for tuning in and happy HubSpotting.